Hello guys, how are you? So it is my second part video of this Bakery Bunny project. So it is a bounty thread of this Bakery Bunny project. So if you want to yarn Bakery Bunny, please stay with me. So today I'll discuss about their project. So how can you yarn this Bakery Bunny? So okay, so Bakery Bunny development by Small Rabbit. So she is a task test of cryptocurrency. So okay guys, there is many details here of this Bakery Bunny. So website, Twitter, Telegram group, Twitter, Telegram channels. Okay, so now visit their website. So one of the best project in this world. So I hope this project has a bright future. So everything is all of this project. Okay, don't worry. Okay guys, load please. Bakery Bunny is a new and quality thriving TVOLD aggregator that is utilized for a bakery shop. That Bakery Bunny protocol empowers crypto farm to leverage their already scaling in collaboration to optimize already compounding technology on BHC. We are giving technology for the several need of crypto farm from the highest already six to the risk reward optimize smart investor. Read our white paper. Okay, so there is a many details here. Please visit this site. You can see about their project, token distribution of this project. So token distribution, Bakery Bunny token is our native government token. Bakery Bunny holder investor government our ecosystem and receive their high percentage of farm performance feel profit when holding staking Bakery Bunny token. It ensure the Bakery Bunny system runs smoothly. Bakery Bunny token, so 45% liquidity and pool 5% developer and team, 3% community Adobe and Bhanti, 4% marketing and promotion, 40% crowdfunding, 3% operation. The total supply is 16 million bakery shop. So light paper of this project. It's a light paper of this bakery shop project. So what is Bakery Bunny? Binance Bakery Bunny. So Bakery Bunny is new and quickly thriving DeFi already aggregator that is utilized for bakery shop. The Bakery Bunny protocol empowers crypto farming to leverage their already shaking in silation to optimize already comforting and technique on which we are giving techniques for the several needs of crypto farm from their highest already seeker to the risk reward optimized smart investor. So reason for launch Bakery Bunny, financial Bakery Bunny. So we aims to develop a platform that automatically compound already for individual either smart or big stake. Bakery Bunny goal is to improve the DeFi system, especially on the Binance Smart Chain, will provide use with several technology to maximum return while minimize risks for all our investor. Okay, so how does Bakery Bunny work? Can I compound by myself? So understand Bakery Bunny token. So Bakery Bunny token is our native governance token. Bakery Bunny holder investor cover our ecosystem and receive the high percentage of from fee profit when holding staking Bakery Bunny token. Ensure that Bakery Bunny ecosystem runs smooth. So okay, how do I choose Bakery Bunny from Bakery Bunny? So risk when farming on Bakery Bunny. So where does LP come from the reward? So where does swap percent come from? So the swap percentage is an analyze based on the swap fee the liquidity provide yarn. Whenever someone is swap where this reward go to the LP token itself, resulting in this value in increase which your all result in your percentage increase this. Okay, what is Bakery Bunny free structure? Performance fee. does partner with the possible. So okay, so what is Back Bunny roadmap? Contacts. Okay, so everything is all of this project. Okay, visit back to the website of this project. So team member, all team member is honest delay of this project. Don't worry investor, our team being Back Bunny. So the Back Bunny project was developed by the team of development and production specialist. We believe our code is who we are. This will guarantee to delivery full transparency and let our code speak for it is okay. Everything is all of this project. So I hope this project has a bright future. One of the best project in this sort. Okay guys, no more today. Thank you for watching my video.